Hey everyone! So, I spent the last few days researching affordable dash cams and found some pretty cool models you might want to check out. Let's take a look at them together. With more than 100 ratings averaging 4.7 stars, this dash cam is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable and affordable option. It's the most affordable model that I found, and it's enough for a budget-friendly option that gets the job done. It records video at HD resolution, not full HD, but for $12, which is the price right now at the moment of recording the video. It's a great deal. It supports G-sensor, motion detection, real-time surveillance, and loop recording. The viewing angle is 170 degrees, so it covers a much wider range of sight, giving additional details to the video. I need to find out how they put all this for only $12. This dash camera is a unique device that comes equipped with an innovative one-to-one split-screen design, which allows you to switch between front and rear view recording with ease. The camera features a G-sensor, which automatically saves and locks the current footage in the event of an accident or sudden braking. There's also a digital zoom feature that can be useful in some situations. The camera also has motion detection, which activates it and starts recording when it detects movement. It includes an SD and MMC card slot, which allows you to store your recordings. In addition, the camera comes with a rear-view mirror, which provides a clear view of the rear of your vehicle. Another interesting feature is real-time surveillance, which allows you to monitor your car in real time. Right now, the price is about $38, which is really a bargain, but I'm not sure how long it will last. If you're wondering what you can get for around $70, the answer is quite a lot. The OBDPeak K2 recorder is equipped with a 10.26-inch ultra-wide-angle full-view touchscreen that captures license plates, road signs, and other critical details on the road. The WDR and auto-adjusting brightness streaming mirror provide very clear and smooth images that display like a stream flowing. The recorder supports simultaneous one-by-one display of front and rear cameras. However, the rear camera and cable require purchasing the dual lens option. The front camera records in 4K resolution while the rear camera records in full HD. The OBDPeak K2 recorder uses the latest technology and supports CarPlay and Android Auto functions. In CarPlay mode, the recorder supports Siri voice assistant so that drivers can have a hands-free experience. After connecting the GPS module, the DVR will display the speed and record the speed, coordinates, and track. This product is from the same company as before, but with a slight difference. If you're looking for a rear-view camera only, with just the screen and no front camera, then you might want to consider this. It supports CarPlay and Android Auto functions, and it comes with a 10.26-inch touchscreen and a suction cup for easier mounting. When using Android Auto mode, it's best to connect the car audio system using an aux cable. If you experience electrical noise in your vehicle, an aux audio isolator is recommended for optimal performance. The AZDOME M550 is a compact and portable camera that captures high-quality footage in 4K resolution. Equipped with a wide-angle lens, it provides a broad view of the road. Moreover, it features several advanced functionalities, including night vision, motion detection, and a built-in GPS tracker. In addition to the features mentioned above, the M550 also offers loop recording, which allows it to overwrite old footage with new recordings so that you don't have to manually delete files. It also supports G-sensor technology that automatically detects and saves footage in the event of a collision or sudden braking, providing added security. Another great feature is that the dash cam also has a parking mode feature that continues to monitor the vehicle even when parked, capturing any incidents or movements in its vicinity. Overall, it is a top-rated dash cam that offers excellent value for its price, which is around $70. The Podofo 10-inch dash cam is a high-quality rear-view camera with few options to choose from. It has a dash mount, built-in GPS, G-sensor, HD display, and Wi-Fi connectivity. This camera allows you to capture 4K video with a resolution of 2.5K, ensuring that you can capture high-quality footage while driving. The camera also supports CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to connect your smartphone and access your music, messages, and other apps. When purchasing this camera, you have several options to choose from. You can buy it without a front camera or with both front and rear cameras, and with or without a micro SD card. There is an option for a car camera system that includes 3 cameras. The first 2 cameras are located on the front and rear of the car, while the third camera can be installed on either side of the vehicle to monitor the blind spots. The third camera can also be installed inside the car as a surveillance camera for rear passengers, particularly babies and children. And the price. It's around $53 right now at the moment of recording the video. Next is the AZDOME M550 Pro, which is a high-quality dashcam designed to capture footage of your drives. It has advanced features such as a 4.3-inch touchscreen display and up to 256 GB micro SD card support. The M550 Pro is an upgraded version of the M550 with a Type-C connector replacing the HDMI connector of the cabin camera. This reduces the issue of the cabin camera not being accessible to the host. Additionally, it has upgraded its Wi-Fi from 2.4 GHz to 5.8 GHz, which provides a more stable and faster speed when connecting to the mobile phone app. Keep in mind that the power port of both M550 and M550 Pro is mini USB, not Type-C. Low light sensing technology enhances the details of the footage captured in low light conditions. An emergency recording mode is available, which triggers automatically in case of an accident. The device also features GPS and speed tracking, enabling you to monitor your speed and track your journey. There are 2 options available, 2-channel and 3-channel. Depending on which one you need, the price is around $80 to $90. Since we were searching for a dash camera for under $100, this one is within our budget limit as it costs $99.99 at the moment of the video release. The A119 V3 Dash Cam is a high-quality car camera that can capture clear footage during the day and night. It has a 5-megapixel Sony Starvis sensor and f1.67G lens, which provide a resolution of 2160p at 60 or 30 frames per second. Its 140-degree angle can capture a wide view of the road without creating a fisheye view. This camera is an excellent tool for reading license plates and capturing incidents. One of the most valuable features of the A119 V3 Dashcam is its advanced parking mode. This feature has 3 solutions to meet different needs: auto event detection, time-lapse, and low bitrate recording. The auto event detection feature is handy, as it automatically records 15 seconds before and 30 seconds after the incident. This feature requires an optional hardwire cable to turn the camera on or off through the ACC signal. This dash cam has super night vision capabilities and an HDR function that automatically balances the lighting in overbright and dark areas. It comes with a Sony Starvis 5-megapixel image sensor that provides a much clearer image than most dash cameras at night, capturing clear license plates even under strong car lights. Many different options are available depending on your needs, so pay attention when purchasing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care!